The customs line at Nexus Station moved with the efficiency of a well-oiled machine. Thousands of species passed through daily, each stopping briefly at the bioscanner for identification and health screening. Jen Martinez waited her turn, adjusting her travel pack. First time off Earth. First time meeting actual aliens. She was practically vibrating with excitement. Next, the Quilarian customs officer called, his translator rendering his clicks into flat English. Jen stepped up to the scanner, a sleek archway that hummed with soft blue light. She'd read about these. Harmless DNA analysis. Takes 2 seconds. She walked through. The scanner turned red. Then it started screaming. Not figuratively. The machine emitted an ear-piercing alarm that made every being in the customs hall freeze. Red lights strobed. Automated barriers slammed down. Biological hazard detected. Deathworld organism. Class 12 threat level. Armed security materialized from everywhere. Don't move, the customs officer shouted, stumbling backward. Keep your hands visible. Jen's hand shot up. What? What's happening? The scanner. The officer's skin had gone pale gray. It rejected your DNA signature. What does that mean? A security captain approached, weapon drawn but not aimed. Yet, her universal translator crackled. Ma'am, please remain calm. The scanner has flagged you as a potentially lethal organism. I'm just human. The captain's compound eyes widened. She tapped her communicator. Confirmed Deathworlder. Species. Earth origin. I need a xenobiology team down here now. The crowd that had been politely curious was now backing away rapidly. Jen heard whispers. Deathworlder. From Earth? The survival planet. Is it safe to be near? Ma'am, the captain said carefully. I need you to answer some questions. Have you been feeling aggressive? Any unusual urges? What? No. I'm on vacation. A Vexlar scientist. Scanner again. Your bone density. How do you even move? You should collapse under your own weight in our gravity. Your gravity is like 0.6 g. It feels like I'm bouncing. Bouncing, the scientist repeated faintly. She describes our standard gravity as bouncing. The customs officer was typing frantically. There's a note in the system. From the Galactic Council. All Earth organisms require special clearance. Something about, he paused, reading, unprecedented survival adaptations that may distress other species. I'm literally just here to see the Crystal Gardens, Jen protested. Ma'am, you're registered as the same threat class as a Carthaxian warbeast. The thing that killed 10,000 soldiers on Praxis 4, the captain added helpfully. I'm a graphic designer. A crowd had gathered at a safe distance. Someone was live-streaming. Jen could see the headline forming in real time. Deathworlder detained at Nexus Station. The xenobiologist was still scanning. Her adrenaline system can increase strength by 300% in stress situations. She has a backup breathing mechanism. Her pain tolerance is, Captain, why is this species not extinct? They're biologically overbuilt for everything. Because our planet tried really hard to kill us, Jen said tiredly. We adapted. Adapted? You're walking biological weapons. We're persistence hunters. Jen was getting frustrated now. We literally evolved to jog after prey until it died of exhaustion. That's our thing. We're endurance predators who invented art and pizza. The security captain holstered her weapon. Look, I believe you're not dangerous. Thank you. But protocol requires Deathworlder species to have an escort while on station. An escort. For the safety and peace of mind of other visitors. 2 hours later, Jen was finally cleared through respectful distance. She also had to wear a badge that said Deathworld Species, Earth, in 3 languages. At the Crystal Gardens, families hurried their children away. Tour groups gave her a wide berth. One Quilarian fainted when she sneezed. This is ridiculous, she muttered. Her lead escort, a grizzled Corthian veteran named Raxus, chuckled. Give it time. Most species eventually realize Earthers are harmless. Eventually, took me 2 weeks working Earth security detail before I stopped flinching when humans smiled. The teeth, you understand. Very predatory. Jen touched her teeth self-consciously. We're just trying to be friendly. I know that now. Back then, All I saw was a primate from class, 12 Deathworld, showing me its weapons. By the end of the day, word had spread. Tourists came specifically to see the Earth human. Some wanted pictures from a distance. Others asked questions. Is it true you can survive on almost any organic matter? Is it true your planet has weather that can level cities? Is it true you domesticated wolves? To every question, Jin answered honestly. And slowly, carefully, the fear turned to curiosity. At a cafe, a young Zephyrin child approached her. Are you really from a death world? Jin knelt down to the child's level. I am. Were you scared living there? She thought about Earth, about mountains and oceans and storms and the sheer, terrifying beauty of a planet that demanded you be strong. No, she said softly. I was home. The child's parent rushed over to apologize, but Jin just smiled, careful not to show too many teeth.